Hello, I'm Victor Sieber and I'm happy to represent this 2015 Chevy Corvette Z06 for the starting line. This car is just a beautiful car in great shape. It's a garage queen with only 32,000 miles on it. So there's a lot of technology embedded in this car, including carbon fiber fenders, carbon fiber removable targa top, 6-piston calipers in the front, 4-piston in the back, everything that you would like to have, including heated and cooled seats, heads-up display. It features magneto-rheological shock absorbers on the Z06 that allows it to both have a smooth ride on the highway and then an aggressive shock settings for track use. Scattered across the car a couple other small enhancements on it, including Stage 3 aero and carbon fiber ground effects and a carbon fiber wrap diffuser. And this one has been tastefully modified with both performance and cosmetic enhancements. On the performance side, we have a cold air intake system along with LG long tube headers and off-road mid-pipe with a MagnaFlow quad exhaust system out the back. Factory makes 650 horsepower, 650 foot-pounds of torque. This one is likely making well over that, approaching 700 horsepower. The interior shows some custom diamond stitched floor mats. The removable targa roof has a nice blue Alcantara headliner on it, and there are a couple of other little small things about the car that have been upgraded, including the wheels, which are some forged Vero wheels. It has some nice Michelin Pilot Sport radials on this, and overall this car is in really good shape. It shows well and it drives like a dream.